how to become very valuable, wealthy, and rich while helping somebody to manage their business. How to become rich and wealthy while helping someone else to manage their shop. How to become wealthy while helping somebody to manage their company. Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm talking to you about today is how to become wealthy, how to become rich, how to become a person of renown while helping somebody else to manage their property, manage their business, manage their shop, or manage whatever they have as an investment. Many people have resources and they want to establish a business, a shop, an investment. They want to have an investment, a property, but they cannot be everywhere at the same time. Somebody is working with the state government or with the federal government or the local government, or working somewhere or doing any kind of work, business, like a driver, like a dry cleaner, like any other kind of work. And they have idea that they can also start a business by the side. They can start a fish pond, like I talk about in this YouTube channel. They can start a poultry farm. They can start a cashew farm. They can start maybe open a shop in a busy environment. They cannot be at the shop and then be at the place of other business that they have at the same time. So they need somebody to put in the shop. In most cases, people are not trustworthy. They don't deliver what they're supposed to deliver. They tell lies about what they make. And after some time, the individual that opens the shop sees that the shop is not functioning well. The person locks up the shop. I've had series of people that have to let go of their shop, of the business, of the farm that they have, because the individual that's supposed to manage it is not managing it very well. Now, as individual that is managing a shop or a business or a farm for somebody else, why is it that most of them are not faithful? Some people are transporters. Somebody have the money, he bought a vehicle and he said, okay, in a day deliver 4,000 to me or 5,000. They are not faithful to deliver. They will say they didn't make any sales. They deliver 1,000, deliver 2,000, deliver 1,500, deliver 500 instead of 5,000. And that makes the business to look non-lucrative for the person that established the business. And on this YouTube channel, I talk about businesses, and some people go into the businesses, they put people there, and they get back to me that see what is happening. I have a particular case where somebody opened a shop and got a sales lady, a sales girl into the shop. The person was working with the government, and then the person took loan from the cooperative and then invested in the shop. The sales girls every time will say there's no sales. There's no sales because the person is working somewhere, doesn't have time to come and sit down with the sales girl or sales lady except once in a while. Or when the individual have customers from the place of work that come to the shop to buy, or they have appointment together, then they fix the time to go to the shop. That is when the person makes sales. At other times, there's no sales. The sales girl said there's no sales. Until after a long time, it was discovered that the sales girls usually do what is called replacement. The sales girl will sell part of the goods that is sold in the shop and then go to the market where they used to buy from. They will buy it and put it back there. So maybe they sell a particular item and they made a profit of 500 or 1,000. They will enter transport of 100 naira and go to the market and come back and replace it. She will keep the money. She is collecting her salary. They pay the shop owner, have created a job for her and teaching her like a sister. And at the same time, she is not faithful. The business owner will pay for the shop, will pay for light, and will also pay for the sales girl without getting anything back. When the business owner discovered, the business owner did not even bother to take another person. The business owner disbanded the business and vacated the shop and stopped the shop business totally. Now, I have another case of an individual we were discussing, and the person said at a popular place around in the town where I live, the individual said, I have a shop in that popular place. That place is a business area. The person said he has a shop. And then because she also working for the government and taking some change, took a loan from cooperative, rented the shop, stocked it with goods, and they expected the sales girl to function properly. The person said what the sales girl does is that it will eat up everything. The sales guy, in this case, is not even doing replacement. This one we sell, we not deliver. We say there's no sales. No sales, but the goods are going down. So after some time, the individual also closed the shop. Another individual had a car. He had a boss in Lagos, and then he told me also he had a boss in Lagos because I've spoken about transport business. He had a car in Lagos, put somebody, got a driver, and asked the driver to deliver a particular amount every day. The driver will come and take the car, the bus, 18-seater bus, painted, Lagos commercial bus, painted. He will take the bus early in the morning by 7 a.m. or before 7. And he will not return until 10 p.m. And just to deliver a small amount, the individual will not deliver. He will say the boss happened and say he was arrested by the police. He will give excuses every time. The owner of the bus, one day, he said, okay, let me see what is going to happen. He entered the bus with them. He just sat at the back of the driver. He was not the conductor. The conductor was still working. If they move from point A to point B, where they are going, all the passengers have gotten down, he will collect the money from the conductor. From point B to point A, when they go to the final bus stop, he will collect the money collected from the conductor. From A to B again, between 7 and 12, when they did that, they have made times 4 of what the driver was supposed to deliver. And then the driver knew his secret was exposed. He couldn't do anything. This is showing us that people are not faithful in business. Let me now tell you that you are a business owner. What you can do as a business owner, or as the investor, or as the money person that put down the capital, is to let these people become shareholders. Maybe you should not pay them. There's a way that it can be done. I am going to bring that up in another video. But I'm talking now, I will come back to that. I'm talking at this time to the people that are the sales girl, the salesmen, the people that are employed to manage a business. Why are you not managing the business very well? Now, the 3 examples I've given, the first person had a shop, they locked the shop. The second person too, they locked the shop. The third person had a car. After that incident, he sold the car away. He sold the car. Have series of events like that. Now, you as a salesperson that is listening to me on this YouTube channel, let me tell you how you can be wealthy. By being a salesperson or by managing other people's business for them. The reason why you can be wealthy is because there are no faithful people around. People are not faithful in business, like the examples I've given. If you ask around, you see different examples. I have series of examples and instances. I have somebody that had a boss, another person had a boss, and he told the individual, don't leave this per second, this perimeter, this place from here to here, from here to here. Don't move out of that place. Do you know what? The individual took the boss and traveled with the boss. And because if you have been told not to travel, you'll be running, you'll be overspeeding so that he can return on time. In the process, he had an accident. The boss got spoiled. He just called the person that owns the boss, go and pick your boss. He repaired the boss, but he couldn't use it for transport again. He had been disappointed. People are being disappointed. So if you are somebody managing a business for somebody, and you have the point to manage a business for somebody, you can be wealthy by so doing. Not by cheating the person, but by being faithful. How are you going to be wealthy? Let me tell you the reason how you are going to be wealthy. Now, somebody opens a shop, is selling maybe food items, raw food, and the person told you that this food item, this bag, this, sell it for 700. This package, the way it is packaged, 700 per package. People come, you tell them it's 750. Some people will buy at 750, some people will buy at 800. That extra money belongs to you. You know, it's 700, that is the last price you are told to sell. That extra money belongs to you. You keep that. That is profit. You can do that every time. You keep that. That's your profit. Now, that's your personal runs. You can even sell for 710, 720. You can also sell for 700. If you sell 700, you didn't make any personal profit. Remember, you are being paid by the shop owner. So you deliver your 700 to the shop owner, you keep the change on top of it. Any change that comes on top of it is yours. If you're unable to sell it beyond that, you are still making a profit. So that goes for that. All the goods that you're selling, that is how you handle it. Now, another way you can make money is because you can, after working for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you are making profit for the business. You deliver, you do account, the person says that, I'm breaking even. I'm making a profit. The business owner says he's making a profit. The investor is making a profit because you are faithful. Then you can come to the table and say, see, I want my salary to be increased. The business owner will not think twice. Once you say you want salary to increase, your salary is going to be increased. And your salary can be increased every month if only you are faithful. The individual will discuss with other people and they will tell the person, this person that we got, he embezzled our money. This person that we got, he took our money away. This person that we got, he did replacement. This person that we got, he made a loss. In your own case, I'm making a gain. In fact, people will be in high demand. People will be looking for you. That please come and help us to manage our shop. Come and manage our business for us. Come and manage our car for us. Come and manage our things for us. Because you are faithful. And then people will be looking for you with money. So because you are faithful. I have an instance of an individual who sells land. The individual sells land, in fact, because of his faithfulness. Omoniles in Lagos, they will come and meet him in the outskirts, come and meet him and say, see, take this our land, they will measure it. They will ask him to go and market it. They won't take a penny from him. Go and market it. When you sell, pay us. They agree on a particular amount, they agree on 50 naira. He will sell it at 100 naira and he will do all the necessary documentation. He will just deliver the 150 naira to them. They are comfortable. They give it to him free. It's when he sells the land that he will now pay them. And the man went ahead. He did the CFO for the land, global CFO, and he started selling the land to the people. And people were buying, and he was settling their moneyless, their own money. He was paying them. You can see that. This man was in an aircraft traveling from one country to another country. On his way entering Nigeria, somebody saw him in a plane. And he said, are you so and so? He said, yeah, I'm the one. He said, okay, you are still selling land? He said, yes, I'm still selling land. The person wrote a check for the land inside of the plane. And he told him he wanted the land, that he should just take, he's coming to see him to do the documentation. The person said, let me give you receipt. He said, no. Let me give you a paper. He said, no. He said, I know you. I know you now. You don't even know yourself that you are a trustworthy person. I know you. This is integrity. Because you are being honest. Because the man has been honest. People when you tell people anything, they believe him. Because you have been honest. If you say this, it will make sure there's no story. All this when you are doing business and people invest with you and you're always giving them stories, telling them stories, you are punishing yourself. Stop all those and then the money are going to be flowing to you because you are a trustworthy person. Because you are going to give them back their returns from the profit made. If you're a profit maker, you can have confidence to reach out to your boss and say, see, I want salary raise. And the salary will be raised. And your noise, your voice will be heard everywhere. News about you managing businesses very well will be heard everywhere. This is how you can make money and become wealthy, by managing the business of other people. You manage it well, that is a selling point for you. See, I'm doing this video because I talk about business that you can do, that you can do. Only one person cannot do all the whole business. So you may start this business, you put somebody there. Tell them to come and watch and listen to this video. And that is going to help you. I'm going to do other videos in this area of faithfulness in business. I just did one yesterday. You can check that out. I'm doing another one now. I've done one on integrity in business before. I just changed the thumbnail so that it can look more, and I changed the topic. Check them out and you are going to be glad with this. See, when you are doing business with anybody and you are honest, the number of honest people doing business or managing people's business or managing people's money, they are very few. If you can come in as one of the honest people, I'm telling you, it is a matter of a short time. you are going to make a lot of money, and you're going to make the money honestly and decently. So what is your decision now? Are you going to start becoming honest in your business, or you continue to be dishonest and then the business is being shut down and closed down? Or you be honest in your business and more businesses will open where you are going to manage a lot of businesses and recruit more honest people like yourself? The choice is yours. I will advise you, be honest and make money the honest way, better than your business being shut down because of you and being closed down because of you, and you not having a good name, a good reputation. I'm going to talk to you some other time. My name is Olubengadetutun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I have made more than 500 videos on business, on marriage, on different kind of things that you can go into, businesses you can go into online and offline. I've done videos on motivation, I've done videos on different areas of life. If you have any question or comments, you can drop it in the comment section below and I'm going to answer you. I want you to share the link of this video with your friends, and I want you also to like this video and to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Until then, bye for now.